Hello, my name is David from Allcam Limited, and today I'm going to show you how to make use of any old 3.5-inch hard disks you've got lying around the house. If, like me, you like to continually upgrade or change your computer, you might be worried about your hard disks, have removed them to keep your data safe, and now you've got no home for them. Well, luckily, this USB 3.5-inch hard disk enclosure will be just the job and solve those problems. Right, USB 3, you may not have heard of that phrase before, but it's the new standard for computers and is much faster than the old USB 2. It's over twice as fast. Now, a lot of our competitors will be selling this product as USB 2 speed. That's far too slow when it's a SATA interface. This USB 3 speed drive will not only be future-proof for any new computers, it's also backwards compatible if you've got USB 2 or even the very, very old USB 1. So in the box we have the 3.5-inch hard disk enclosure itself, a nice little stand to pop it on. We've got the USB cable. Now this is slightly different to what you may have seen before, as it's blue inside both connection points. This just designates it's a USB 3 cable, and if your computer's got a blue USB port on it, it'll be USB 3 speed. Also, we've got the SATA interface cable, otherwise known as the e-SATA for external, and that will plug into the back of your computer if you've got a SATA socket, and the mains adapter to keep everything powered up, along with a quick start guide, really easy to follow and show you how to connect everything together. Now I'd like to show you how to install a 3.5-inch SATA hard disk into the USB 3 enclosure. First of all, simply press the button on the end of the enclosure and the lid comes off. Now locate the SATA data and power connection points and line them up with those on your hard disk. Be careful here, as any knocks or nudges to your hard disk can cause it to have problems when you connect it to your computer. So line up the points and then gently press them in, and the hard disk will sit nice and neatly in the enclosure, ready to just pop the lid back on. To transfer data to your computer, there are two sockets you can use. There's the blue USB 3 socket or the e-SATA socket, or just external SATA socket, which will plug directly into the back of your computer. The USB 3 connection point, now it will usually be at the back of your computer, but it could be at the front as well. To connect the e-SATA cable, it's a simple job, keeping the metal contact on the top and gently just pushing it into the hole. And the same with the USB, just line the socket up and just pop it into the USB port there. Now it's important to only use one of these cables. It will not work properly if you try and use two, as your computer will try and recognise two different devices on two different channels. So once you've done that, simply turn your computer on, make sure the device is turned on, you'll hear it whirring. In 99% of cases, the hard disk enclosure and hard drive will be recognised by your computer. If for any reason they're not, then it's a simple case of going to the disk drive section of my computer, locating the drive and reformatting it. What we've also done is included instructions on how to do this, although it's unlikely, in the box with the hard disk. Thank you for watching our how-to guide video presentation, and if you're interested in this product and many more we sell, please visit us on Amazon or our eBay shops, or even better, to find out all the latest special offers and news, visit us on Facebook.